Hi, I'm Nick, and today we'll be showing you how to resolve Android WCAG video-only and audio-only pre-recorded violations. WCAG 1.2.1, titled Audio Only and Video Only Pre-Recorded, states that for pre-recorded audio and pre-recorded video, the information must also be presented in an alternative, non-time-based format. The intent of this success criterion is to make sure information conveyed by pre-recorded audio and pre-recorded video is accessible to all users. Some of the potential benefits for this success criteria include people who are deaf or hard of hearing or who have trouble understanding audio content will benefit from being able to read a textual presentation. Furthermore, people who are deaf-blind can use assistive technologies to translate this textual presentation into Braille. Additionally, text supports the ability to search for non-text content and to repurpose this content in a variety of ways. For more detail on the specifics of WCAG audio-only and video-only violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix an audio-only violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin. But first, I'm going to say a quick prayer that you like and subscribe. Here we have an audio-only pre-recorded violation. Clicking into the object allows us to see the screen containing this violation, and clicking into the resource ID allows us to immediately pull up the Kotlin file and XML files responsible for this violation. Now that we know where this violation is, let's pull up our emulator so we can see what the violation looks like. Here we have an audio controller, but we're not quite sure the purpose of this controller. Let's try clicking start to see if we can find more information.
I have the pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr.
Okay, so it looks like we're about to listen to a speech by Martin Luther King Jr. Let's see if we can fix this accessibility violation by adding textual context to this audio file. Let's take a look at some of the changes we've made to resolve this violation. From the emulator, we can now see that there is textual context to this audio file. Furthermore, the user is able to click in to find an audio or a textual transcription of the entire speech. From within the code, we can see the changes we've made as well. We've added a link to go to the external website for the transcription, and we've added an additional text view for this link, and we've changed the text of the topmost text view to provide contextual information as to the purpose of the audio file, as opposed to just letting the user know that it's an audio controller. And just like that, we've resolved our Android WCAG audio-only accessibility violation. How did you get into accessibility? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.